Chapter 2 Advanced MS Word 2013 Recapitulation MS Word 2013 is used to type the word, sentence or letter. Selecting, editing, cut, copy and pasting of text can be easily done. MS Word allows to change font and size and color of the text. We can highlight any text to give it importance. Center, right or left alignment of text is also possible. Undo and redo helps to delete or repeat any changes done to a document. Central idea: insert a table, add or delete row and column, merging of cells, table formatting, converting existing text to a table, correcting spelling and grammar, inserting picture, resizing an image and cropping an image. Inserting a table in a document. Let's perform the following steps to insert a table in the document. Step 1. Place your mouse pointer on the page where you want the table to insert. Step 2. Select the Insert tab. Step 3. Click the Table command from Tables group. Step 4. Move over the boxes and press Enter on the keyboard or click mouse button. Adding a new row. Move the mouse near the location where you want to add a row, then click the plus sign that appears. A new row will appear in the table. Adding a new column. Move the mouse near the location where you want to add a column, then click the plus sign that appears. A new column will appear in the table. Alternatively, you can right-click the table, then move the mouse over Insert to display various row and column options. Step 1. Right-click on the table and select Insert from the menu. Step 2. Select the required option. You can also use Layout tab to insert above or insert below command from the rows and columns group. Step 1. Place the cursor in the row after which new row is to be added. Step 2. Click Layout tab. Step 3. Click Insert Below button to add a row below the current row. Delete a column. You can also delete a column from an existing table. Step 1. Click the column you want to delete from the table. Let us click inside the class column. Step 2. Select the Layout tab in the Table Tools. Step 3. Select Delete Columns in the Delete option. Class column is deleted from the table. Merging of cells. When you combine two or more cells of a table located in the same row or column into a single cell, it is called merging of cells. For example, you can merge several cells horizontally to create a table heading. Step 1. Select the cells you want to merge. Step 2. Under Table Tools, on the Layout tab, click Merge Cells. All the selected cells merges to one cell. Split cells. You can split a cell or range of cells in a table into multiple cells. Step 1. Click in a cell or select multiple cells that you want to split. Step 2. Under Table Tools, on the Layout tab, in the Merge group, click Split Cells. Step 3. Enter the number of columns or rows that you want to split the selected cells into. One column has split into 2 columns. Move the table. To move the table, place the mouse pointer on the table move handle until a plus sign appears and drag the table to any part of the document and then release the mouse button. To resize the table, place the mouse pointer on the table resize handle until a double-headed arrow appears and drag the table boundary. Table formatting. Step 1. Click anywhere on the table. Step 2. Select the Design tab. Step 3. In the Table Styles group, click the More drop-down arrow to see all available table styles. Step 4. Select the desired style. Selected style is applied on the table. Adding borders to a table. Step 1. Select the cells you want to add a border to. Step 2. From the Design tab, select the desired line style, line weight and pen color. Step 3. Click the Borders drop-down arrow. Step 4. Select the desired border type from the menu that appears. Converting existing text to a table. Step 1. Select the text to convert. Step 2. From the Insert tab, click the Table command. Step 3. Select Convert Text to Table from the drop-down menu. Step 4. A dialog box will appear. Choose one of the options in the Separate Text Add section. Step 5. Click OK. The text appears in a table form. Correcting spelling and grammar. Step 1. Right-click on the word computer. Step 2. Click on the correct spelling for the word that matches this word. Now, type the next line. Step 1. Right-click on the name. Step 2. Click on Ignore. Now the computer knows that Arush is not a mistake. Inserting a picture from a file. Step 1. Place the insertion point where you want the image to appear. Step 2. Select the Insert tab on the ribbon and then click the Pictures command. Step 3. In the Insert Picture dialog box, select the desired image file and then click Insert. The image is inserted in the document. Resizing an image. Click and drag one of the corner sizing handles. The image will change size while keeping the same proportions. If you want to stretch it horizontally or vertically, you can use the side sizing handles. Cropping an image. Step 1. Select the image to crop. Step 2. Select Crop from the Format tab. Step 3. Cropping handles appear around the image. Click, hold and drag a handle to crop the image. Step 4. After dragging, click outside to crop the image. Image adjustments. MS Word 2013 offers several options for changing the way images appear in your document. For example, you can add a frame, make image corrections, change the image's color or brightness, and even add some stylish artistic effects. These options are available in the Adjust and Picture Styles group on the Format tab. Select the picture and choose one of these options from the Format tab.